Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rajni Mathematics Academy. So today we will start with exercise number 1.4 of number system class 9. Okay, exercise 1.4 of number system class 9. There are only two questions in exercise number 1.4. Okay, first question is we have to represent a given number on number line. Okay, number is 3.765. Okay, as you all know, I have taught you representation of rational numbers on number line, representation of irrational numbers also on number line, representation of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers on number line. Okay, if you don't have watched yet, you can watch first 3 lectures of number system on my YouTube channel Rajni Mathematics Academy. So representation of number lines, representation of numbers on number line will be clear to you from those lectures. Okay, so let's start. Number is 3.765. Okay, see, oh sorry, ये नंबर लाइन है, ये 0 है, ये 1 2 3 4 and so on to infinity, -1 to -infinity. Okay, number is 3.765. Number is greater than 3, so it will lie somewhere in between 3 and 4. Okay, so number will be in between somewhere 3 and 4. तो जो ये डिस्टेंस है 3 और 4 के बीच की, नाउ वी विल मैग्नीफाई इट इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. ओके, ये 3 एंड 4 को हमने मैग्नीफाई कर लिया है. सो नंबर्स बिटवीन 3 एंड 4 विल बी 3.1, 3.2, ये इधर थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया, 3.2, जस्ट वेट, यस, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. So number between 3 and 4 will be like this: 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5 and so on. So number is 3.765. This number is greater than 3.7. So number will lie between somewhere 3.7 and 3.8. So now in this step we will magnify the distance between 3.7 and 3.8. and 3.8. So numbers between 3.7 and 3.8 will be like this: 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75. Next number will be 3.76 and so on, 3.77, and here 3.78 and here 3.99. Right, number will be like this between 3.7 and 3.8. So number is 3.76. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay, so number will be in between 7.76 and 7.77. Okay, number is 3.765. तो नंबर 3.76 से ग्रेटर है, सो नंबर विल बी इन बिटवीन 3.76 3.77. Okay, so now we will magnify this line. Okay, see, इसी में ही कर देते ताकि यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड प्रॉपरली. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 4, ये वाला पोर्शन अब हमें मैग्नीफाई करना है. दिस विल बी 3.76 between 3.77. So number is 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765. Okay, understood? Now 3.766 and this will be 767. Okay, this is the first step, second step, now this is third step now, and this is fourth step, and 3.768 and this will be 3.769. so point is this 3.765. this is the real number on number line. Okay, so that's how I have represented given number 3.765 on number line. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. If there is any doubt to anybody, you can ask any number of times. Okay, so now we move to second question. Second question is, we have to represent this number on number line and up to 4 decimal places, cause this number is 4.26262626, it will go on infinitely. Okay, so we have to represent on the number line 4.2626. Okay, in the first question there were 4 steps, and in this question there will be 5 steps. Okay, so we will represent this number on number line the same way we did last question. Okay, ठीक है. फर्स्ट स्टेप, ये नंबर लाइन ली हमने. ओके, सॉरी, ये नंबर लाइन है, ये 0 है, 1 2 3 4 5 and so on to infinity. this -1, ये minus infinity. ठीक है, number is 4.2626. so number is greater than 4, so it will lie somewhere in between 4 and 5. Okay, so in the next step we will magnify number line between 4 and 5. Okay, 4 and 5. Number is 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 and so on, 4.9, ये 5 हो जाएगा. Number is 4.26. Number is greater than 4.2, so it will lie somewhere in between 4.2 and 4.3. Okay, यहाँ पर. Now in the next step we will magnify the distance on number line between 4.2 and 4.3. 4.2 and 4.3. Numbers will be like 4.21, 4.22, 4.33, sorry, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25 and 4.26, 4.27, and so on, 4.279, 29. Okay. Number is 4.2626. As you all know, number is greater than 4.26. So number will lie somewhere in between 4.26 and 4.27. So in the next step, we will magnify 4.26 and 4.27 के बीच का दूरी. Okay? It is the fourth step. Yes. 4.26 and 4.27. I hope यहाँ तक समझ में आया होगा. If you don't understand any topic, sorry, any line, any step, you can ask me any number of times. Okay. So next point will be 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264. So number is 4.2626. Number is greater than 4.262. Okay. So number will be somewhere in between 4.26 to 4.263. So we will magnify it. Okay. We will now magnify in the next step 4.26 and 4.263. Okay. So first step you must have noted down. Second step also. So I am removing these steps. You can take a screenshot. You can write down in your notebook. Okay. Fifth step, and it is the last step. Number line, this is 4.262 and this is 4.263. Okay. So numbers will be like 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626. Okay. So exact number is 4.2626. So it is here on number line in between 4.262 and 4.263. So this is the representation of 4.2626 on number line. So there are 5 steps for this question. Okay. So here, just wait. Let me remove this. Let me clean the board. Okay. So today I have completed exercise number 1.4 and there were only 2 questions. So we have done these 2 questions and I hope these 2 questions must be clear to everyone. Even if you don't understand, you can ask me again. I will tell you, I will explain you thoroughly because it's my duty being a teacher. Okay. So Rajni Mathematics Academy के जो भी members है, I want to talk to you. We are around 220 now. I am grateful, I am thankful to all of you that you have subscribed my channel. You have given me so much love to me and to my channel also. So it's my request to all of you, to the members of Rajni Mathematics Academy, that please share my channel to your relatives, to your friends, to your neighbors, to your colleagues, to your friend's child. You can share it to anybody. You can share to your relatives, cousins. Okay. And you can share on your WhatsApp status, Instagram story, Facebook also. You can share it anywhere. Okay. But bring more people to my channel. As you all know, now I have started class 11th batch also. So please connect more people to the channel of class 9th and class 11th. And after 1 month, we will start class 10th batch also. So please connect more people, more students to my channel. And as you all know, success of my channel will be only when my education, my channel, my videos reach to real students, real needy students. Okay, as I have told you earlier also, there are many students who really do not get to free education, do not get to tuition fee, do not get to school fee, and there are many students who really struggling for their fee. Okay, there are many students who study as well as earn, so they don't get time to go for tuition, or they don't get fee for their tuition. So it's the free education on YouTube. So you please connect more people to my channel and makes it reach to real needy students, struggling students. Okay, so and press the bell icon also, so that you get the notification of new video immediately, and you can watch the video at that time only. Okay, and one more thing, keep sharing my channel, keep subscribing my channel, and keep loving my channel. Thank you so much.